People who are controllable. Hello my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I have seen this in many people who are controllable. How is it? Oh God, when someone comes and speaks ill about your goals, methods, ways, mocks you, criticizes your way, considers your path worthless, the complexes and beliefs of the rotten, dusty, and defective brain towards you, who think scientifically and have critical thinking and know your worth. Do you know that person will come and insult you in any way they can out of jealousy, stupidity, or whatever? Do you easily change your ways? Why? Why would you do that? Why do you become controllable? That person wants to control you. That person thinks you belong to them. Do you know at that time, you no longer have any values, because at that time, you yourself seem to lose your identity. Think about it. And you don't know who you are. You don't know who you truly are. What your values are. And even the abilities that you used to do for your growth. You see days passed and you haven't done any good things for yourself. You no longer do the physical and mental care for yourself that you used to do for yourself. Even you ruins your days and moments. Oh my God, you lose yourself, you lose your moments, your days, your month, your years, your whole life. Don't let it happen to you. Not every worthless person or even teacher should control your path. Or you, no one, okay? So, don't let it happen. And always remember, there is only one you, okay? Focus on yourself, your journey, your life, your goals, your future, okay? And always remember, there is only one you. No one can take your place, and also you cannot take someone else's place. Okay? Love you. Bye.